Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and permissions. Confirm the fingerprint sensor or IR camera and that your OS version supports biometric login. Once done, plug in power or ensure battery is above 20% and connect to a secure Wi-Fi network so drivers can download. Next, open Settings, choose Accounts, then Sign In options. Make sure Windows Hello or System Biometric feature is visible. Now select the appropriate biometric method and click the Device Setup or Enroll button to begin the guided capture. You will walk through multiple sensor captures. Position your finger or face, then repeat scans at slightly different angles so the system builds a robust template. While enrolling, create a fallback PIN or password when prompted. This enables access if biometrics fail. If the enrollment freezes or fails, open Device Manager, locate the biometric device, update or reinstall the driver, then retry enrollment. Make sure privacy settings allow camera/microphone access for facial biometrics, and avoid bright backlight during captures for best results. You finish by testing. Lock the screen and sign in using the newly enrolled fingerprint or face. If recognition is inconsistent, re-enroll with cleaner skin or improved lighting and adjust any sensitivity options your system provides. Make sure to add alternate fingers if you rely on fingerprints. If problems persist, reboot the laptop, confirm OS updates are applied, and reinstall the biometric driver. This resolves most drive-related issues. One key troubleshooting tip: clean the sensor or camera lens before assuming hardware failure, and then retry enrollment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.